Hi everyone and welcome to week 4. Are you motivated? Because this is called Motivate and it's the center work of the whole business shebang. So if you're ready for this, we're going to be working everything that we worked in the other 3 weeks. We're going to be elongated, super fit and super ready to be energized for the last week. Come on, let's do it. Stay with me. Till the end! Yay! Ciao! Here we go. Let's start. First position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do the second right away. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do the fourth with opposite. 2, 3, 4 and ground. 2, 3, 4. Recover. And again, first position, go 1. Recover. Second position, go. Fold it, hold it. Again. Same grand plie, now you bounce. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, hello to you. Whatever time of the day you decide to do this. Hand on the hips, go down, down, lift up, up, go down, down, lift up. Scratch your nose, 1, down. And from here, we're gonna go lifting attitude. 7, here we go. Go 1, down, go 2, go 3, go 4. Go 5, go 6, and 7, and 8. Hold it there, stay there. Hold your core, chest, and then we go with hands, and 2, and 3, and 4. We do 8, and 5. Beautiful arms, 6, and 7, 8 with the velope. Go, 2,